Hey, what's going on? Chris Espinola here. I wanted to quickly go over the flow, the whole process of the daily commission formula, the daily commission formula system that you see here that has all the steps laid out, and you can see exactly how it works, as you're going through the videos in each step. Now, this is step one of the daily commission formula. Now, before I go on, I want you to stick around to the end so you can hear what the bonus I will have in store for you. You're going to love it, especially if you want to get more eyeballs on your product or service that you might be marketing or selling right now. And this is actually one of the key benefits of utilizing or leveraging the daily commission formula system to market and promote your business and create automation for you that you perhaps might be missing currently. It will also, number two, which is what a lot of people and businesses have trouble with, is getting enough eyeballs, traffic, to see the business or product that you might be offering or selling online right now. This is what will make this whole process a lot easier for you by modeling what you're going to see here in the daily commission formula to help you build your system no matter what you're selling, right? It will also, number three, this is the benefit, it will help build your own list, email list, data collection, where you will be able to then sell other products or services to those potential customers that visited your site. Let me click this before it goes off. But I want to go quickly over step one. When you're in step one, please watch this main video here where you will get an overview of step one. And then you want to go ahead and get your advertising platform here. Now when you do that, it will bring you to this page, give you a little overview of Future Ad Pro. This is a platform that I'm leveraging within the daily commission formula. Again, the key is leverage. You want to leverage existing platforms to do the work for you and create automation in your business, right? So step one, you want to get the advertising platform and just check out the video, click here to get started, click here to continue, and watch an overview presentation on how to get everything in place. It'll give you a complete breakdown. Again, just follow the continue button, or you can go back to step one, which is this page. Now the other portion of step one is the marketing system. The marketing system is what actually creates the leverage with the systems, right? It sends out email broadcasts, email advertising once these potential website visitors who liked your ad and wanted more information. These things automatically occur with the marketing system, right? So you want to click here, and this video will give you an overview of the benefits of having your own marketing system, right? You want to be independent. You want to leverage these tools. This is a tool that I think every business should have in order to get more clients, more website visitors to your product, right? So watch the video, go, or when you scroll all the way down, I'm going to be moving these buttons to the top. You want to go down to step one and get your free trial. And then you want to go to step two and continue, where you will get and see the bonuses offered, which is a copy and paste model, the exact system you're seeing here with these videos that you can have as soon as you get started, right, and set up your system. So I don't want to get too much into detail with this. As you go through the system, you will see the flow, and basically the system connects all the pieces to the puzzle and creates automation like your landing page, right? And I'm not going to get too much into that right now. I'm going to go into, I want to keep going. Now, you'll get a complete overview if you follow, just go through the pages, bookmark the pages from top to bottom, and then you'll be able to go back and see if you missed anything. But most of the pages have a continue button where you'll be able to get more information and training on how to leverage the systems, right? So once you get your advertising platform and your marketing system, now your advertising platform, you can get started for free. The and you can also do so with the marketing system. Now, I suggest the marketing system is one of the most important pieces you need and must have if you are selling anything online, right? And there are multiple marketing systems. If you don't have one, obviously click continue and get started, you'll be able to get the same exact one you're seeing now. Now, if you have another business or product or whatever it is, just follow the steps in the formula and model them with your own business. You might have a marketing system but might not have a business or product to sell or know how to get website visitors. That's where the daily commission formula comes in, right? So after you get set up in step one, now remember, you can get started here for free, right? Click continue. Now, step two is the traffic sources. These are sources that I personally use and I rotate from. 1 week I'll buy from this vendor, then next week that vendor, and so on. And this is, I budget a certain amount of money per week, and I commit and consistently purchase whatever traffic I can purchase at that time through one of these vendors and get U.S. English-speaking website visitors to see my products and services I am offering out there in the marketplace. Now, you can get started also for free in all of these traffic platforms, traffic vendors, right? I'll also be having more training and, walk you through how I'm posting the ads and how exactly I'm doing this. After you get set up and have your free account set up here, you want to hit the continue button where you get another video, an overview of the step 3 of the daily commission formula system. Now, if you have a business and you're using this marketing system, this copy and paste system to promote your business, you can go ahead and plug your business link here, for example. So it doesn't matter what you're selling, what product, you can just promote anything and market anything using this formula, this system to do so. Get as much traffic to see your business. Now, what's going to happen is that as people come in and see your funnel, your sales process, what you're offering, some people are going to join step 1, all portions. Some people only going to want step 2. Some people only going to want the business step 3, because each of these steps are their own income sources themselves. I like to leverage all 3 in one system and create a multiple flows of income that turn into daily commissions. That's the purpose. Now, my job, once I have everything set up, once you have your marketing system in place, now it's very simple. You just follow the getting started steps that you get within the system, right under the get your marketing system or platform started. Now, step 3, you're all set up. Now, your main focus is to get as many website visitors to your marketing system lead captures page designed link, where you send that traffic to website visitors to capture their information if they are interested in your ad and what you are offering. I just send people to my lead capture page that promotes the daily commission formula, and I let the system do the work for me. Once the people on my list, the system sends out automated emails that do all the selling and telling for me, and I also follow up with the people as they are getting started to help them get started, right? Now, for the new people who are getting started, all you have to concern yourself with is going through the training in each step in the back office, following the steps, and you are going to learn how to do this for yourself. And while you're doing so, you have the ability to also generate commissions by sending traffic to your own lead capture page that you can create within the marketing system that will promote For example, you can use this system to promote any of these products. If you sign up for free and become an affiliate partner of these each of these steps, each of these platforms, you will then be eligible to also receive commissions, multiple commissions from these platforms as you are building your business. Now, important income disclaimer, check the income disclaimer somewhere below this video. You can get started at any level by clicking the link, the continue button, getting started, and to get started right away. Now, I've run on long enough with this video. I want to quickly go over my bonus. Now, if you get started within the next, say, the next 24 hours, the next day, from the time I post this video, I'll be posting it on my YouTube channel and also sending it to my current email list, right? So for the next 24 hours, if you get started in the advertising platform, the marketing platform, and with the businesses that I'm currently promoting, now you must get started as a paid member. For this bonus, I will set you up and send 200 clicks to your link to get you running with a fast start, getting those leads and possible commissions rolling in as you're getting started, right? Now, this offers for the next 24 hours from the time I post this video, okay? I'll talk to you on the next video, and good luck. I'll see you on the inside.